Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you 10 crazy Amazon Prime Day tool deals 2025 that you definitely don't want to miss. Whether you're a DIY lover, a pro handyman, or just looking to upgrade your toolbox, these deals have got you covered with up to 65% off on power tools, hand tools, and all kinds of DIY gear. From cordless drills to multi-tools, there's something for every project, and at prices that are seriously hard to beat. But here's the catch, these deals won't last forever. So before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the best deals. Grab your wish list and let's dive into these amazing Prime Day offers before they're gone. Number 1. BOSCH GSR12V-300FCB22. If you're looking for a super versatile drill driver, check out the BOSCH GSR12V-300FCB22. This 12-volt max EC brushless flexi-click system is a beast in a small body. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with 5 attachments, so you're basically getting 5 tools in one. From tight corners to tricky angles, this thing handles it all. It includes 2.0 AH lithium-ion batteries, giving you great runtime and less downtime. The brushless motor adds extra life and power, and at just 12 volts, it's surprisingly strong. With over 850 plus reviews and a 4.8-star rating, people clearly love it, and so do I. Whether you're a DIYer or a pro, this drill gives you flexibility, control, and convenience in one powerful little package. Final thoughts? The BOSCH FlexiClick isn't just smart, it's a game changer. Highly recommended. Number 2. Avid Power 20V Max Power Drill Kit. Looking for a reliable cordless drill that won't break the bank? Meet the Avid Power 20V Max Power Drill Kit. This little workhorse packs a punch with 20 volts of power, 1400 RPM max speed, and 2 variable speed settings, perfect for drilling, screwing, and everything in between. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy, and you get 19 torque settings for better control. It even comes with 22 bits, a battery, and a charger, all in one kit. With over 275 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's a favorite for beginners, DIYers, and even homeowners who just want something dependable and easy to use. Final verdict? The Avid Power 20V is simple, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. Great value for the price. A smart pick for any toolbox. Number 3. Adjustable Angle Track Saw Square. If you're working with a track saw, this adjustable angle track saw square from GoingMake is a total game changer. Made from solid metal, it's super durable and gives you precise angle cuts from -60 degrees to 60 degrees with quick positive stops. No more guessing or eyeballing your angles. It fits perfectly with Festool and Makita guide rails, and the 90-degree right angle feature is spot-on accurate. Whether you're doing straight cuts or tricky miters, this tool locks in fast and holds firm. The black finish looks sleek and it feels solid in hand. With a 4.4-star rating and growing popularity, it's already a trusted pick among woodworkers and DIYers who value accuracy. Bottom line, if precision and speed matter to you, this rail square is worth every penny. It saves time, boosts accuracy, and makes your track saw setup so much better. Number 4. KingTool 276-piece tool set. Need a complete toolkit that covers almost everything? The KingTool 276-piece tool set might be just what you're looking for. It includes a 12V cordless power drill with 3 lithium-ion batteries, plus a massive variety of hand tools, all neatly packed in a toolbox with a drawer for easy storage. From screwdrivers and sockets to pliers and drill bits, it's got everything a homeowner, DIYer, or handyman might need. The power drill is lightweight but reliable, great for everyday jobs around the house. With a 4.5-star rating and tons of happy users, this kit is clearly a crowd pleaser. Final thoughts? Whether you're setting up your first toolkit or upgrading to something more complete, KingTool delivers a solid all-in-one solution. It's affordable, well-organized, and ready for any task you throw at it. Number 5. Amazon Basics Magnetic Ratcheting Wrench. If you're into fixing gadgets, small electronics, or just love having the right tool on hand, this Amazon Basics 73-piece magnetic ratcheting wrench and precision screwdriver set is a must-have. It includes everything from Phillips and flathead to Torx, hex, square, and even triangle bits, perfect for laptops, phones, game consoles, and more. The magnetic bits make handling screws way easier, and the ratcheting handle feels smooth and sturdy. The color combo, black, red, and silver, looks clean, and it all comes packed in a compact, organized case. With over 20,000 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear this kit is a favorite among techies and DIYers alike. Final thoughts? For under-the-hood tech work or small home repairs, this set punches way above its price. It's reliable, well-built, and super convenient. A solid choice all around.
Number 6. BOEN 35-piece Deep Impact Socket Set. If you're looking for a tough and reliable socket set, the BOEN 35-piece Deep Impact Socket Set is definitely worth a look. You get both SAE 3/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch and metric 8 to 24 millimeters sizes plus extensions, a joint and an adapter, all packed in a sturdy double-lock case. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a black manganese phosphate coating, these sockets are built to handle serious torque without slipping or wearing down. The half-inch drive system is perfect for heavy-duty jobs, whether you're working on cars, machinery, or home projects. With a 4.7-star rating from over 750 users, it's clear this set holds up well under pressure. Final thoughts? BOEN delivers excellent value, strong, precise, and organized. For DIYers, mechanics, or anyone needing dependable sockets, this set won't let you down. Number 7. LLNEDL 44-piece kit. If you need a compact yet complete socket and nut driver set, this LLNEDL 44-piece kit is a solid choice. It includes deep and shallow metric sockets 4 to 15 millimeters, a smooth ratchet, plus 6-inch magnetic nut drivers 6 to 14 millimeters with a 1/4-inch hex shank, perfect for drills and impact drivers. Made from chrome vanadium steel, the tools feel tough and durable. The oil-rubbed finish gives them a clean look and helps resist wear. You even get drill bits, PH1 and PH2, to cover your basic screw driving needs. With a 4.6-star rating and over 300 positive reviews, this set has already earned trust from DIYers and pros alike. Final thoughts? It's compact, versatile, and handles light to medium jobs with ease. Whether you're fixing furniture, working on appliances, or just need a reliable kit in your garage, this one delivers great value.
Number 8. Flex 24V Brushless Oscillating Tool. If you're in the market for a powerful, cordless multi-tool, check out the Flex 24V Brushless Oscillating Tool. With up to 20,000 OPM oscillations per minute, it's built for serious cutting, sanding, and scraping, all without slowing you down. The brushless motor delivers smooth, consistent performance, and the tool-free blade change is a huge time saver. It feels solid in hand with a sleek gray and black design and fits comfortably for extended use. Just note, battery and charger are sold separately. With a 4.5-star rating and growing feedback, it's already getting solid praise from both pros and DIYers. Final thoughts. The Flex FX4111Z is fast, precise, and efficient. If you're already in the Flex 24V system or want a pro-grade multi-tool that doesn't mess around, this one's worth a look.
Number 9. Sigman Laser Level. If precision is your game, the Sigman Laser Level is a tool you'll want to check out. It projects 3x360-degree green crosslines, so you get clear, bright leveling all around your workspace. Perfect for construction, picture hanging, or any project needing exact measurements. It's made of sturdy metal, comes with a magnetic rotating stand, a handy remote controller, and a rechargeable battery, making setup and adjustments super easy. The auto self-leveling feature means no fuss, just accurate lines every time. With over 5,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's trusted by pros and DIYers alike. Final thoughts? For anyone needing quick, reliable, and bright laser lines, the Sigman delivers excellent value and precision. Highly recommended.
Number 10. OneAge Pink Multi-Tool Knife. Looking for a practical yet stylish gift for the special woman in your life? The OneAge Pink Multi-Tool Knife is an amazing choice. It's sleek, lightweight, and made from durable stainless steel, combining usefulness with a pretty pink finish that stands out. Whether it's for Mother's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or stocking stuffers, this multi-tool has everything she might need, from cutting and opening to fixing on the go. It's perfect for women who have everything, but still love handy, thoughtful tools. With a glowing 4.8-star rating from over 4,600 reviews, this multi-tool clearly hits the mark. Final thoughts? Practical, stylish, and ready for any adventure, the OneAge Pink Multi-Tool is a gift that keeps on giving. Highly recommend for any woman who loves to be prepared.